everyone, Ben Peel here, aka Botanical Fanatical, and I guess you're wondering what this is in my hand. This is straight from the Noma's Guide to Fermentation. It's lacto fermentation. So what we're doing, we've got chopped mango, chopped chili, equal part honey and water. We weigh it together and we take 2% of that weight with de-iodized salt to help the fermentation take place. And we've got it vacuum sealed here, or you can have it in a mason jar. You leave it at room temperature for 4 to 5 days and it breaks down and you find a balance between the salts and the sugars to get it just right. You're probably asking why we're doing this sort of R&D. Is we're experimenting with new flavours and flavour extractions because eventually we'll be taking the lab and the distillery on tour for bar takeovers. So check it out in a few days and we'll see how this tastes. Have a good day, y'all.